Hello guys, welcome to a new video. In this tutorial, I will teach you how to add captions to a video using your PC. So here we got in this video, we got CapCut. The app that we're going to use is here, as you can see, CapCut. So let's go and open CapCut application. Now choose on New Project. Also, I got already a project, which is this one here. Let's click on it. This project was edited already and had some edits, so let's show you a quick tutorial about this. Go choose text, and now as you can see here, this option, auto captions, click on it and choose the language, which is English, and choose create, and just wait a little bit. Once done here, you'll see these captions. The caption has been already done down below here. You need just to edit the captions to be able to see them. The color, the font size, even the font as well. You can change the font using this option. So hit like and subscribe if this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.